后来，这个以色列甲伊朗即摆咧冲突，美国会介入无？川普甲记者讲，到最后一刻才做决定。也毋过，《华尔街日报》的报道讲，川普私底下甲高级幕僚来透露，讲伊已经来批准着攻打伊朗的计划咯。
Will you strike the Iranian nuclear component? And what time exactly, sir? Sir, would you strike it? Would you please inform us so we can be there and watch? I mean, you don't know that I'm going to even do it. You don't know. I may do it. I may not do it. I mean, nobody knows what I'm going to do.
面对记者问话，敢会拍伊朗？美国总统川普拒绝回答。
I have ideas as to what to do, but I haven't made a final. I like to make the final decision 1 second before it's due. You know, because things change. I mean, especially with war, things change with war. It can go from one extreme to the other.
美国华人街日报报道，川普私底下对高级幕僚透露，已经批准拍伊朗的计划，不过暂时未行动，就是要观察德黑兰敢会放弃核武的计划。
Well, I don't want to get involved either, but I've been saying for 20 years, maybe longer, that Iran cannot have a nuclear weapon. I've been saying it for a long time.
彭博社引述两位西方政府官员指出，美国私底下向盟友表达立场，和川普的公开表态同款，也就是伊朗若是不投降，美国对参与打击，相信可能会在24点钟内采取行动。
I would have preferred having just an agreement, a strong agreement, you know, verifiable agreement. But it was such a shame. They were so close. You know, Iran was very close to signing what would have been a very good agreement for them. And maybe that could still happen, I guess.
川普透露，伊朗是要派人到华府谈判有关核武的协议，而美军已经有新动作。
The USS Ford carrier strike group is now expected to be deployed to Europe next week, making it the third aircraft carrier in close proximity to the conflict, according to 3 sources familiar with the matter. 除了已经部署到中东的卡尼文心号之外，路透社进前报道，美军取消利比朱号航空母舰造访越南的机会转向中东。
Hello， 我是林仙怡。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。